Did you know Hong Kong is home to a unique and spirited fish? Meet the Hong Kong paradise fish, scientifically known as the Macropodus hongkongensis, a small but fierce freshwater species that embodies the resilience of this city. A cousin to the well-known paradise fish of Asia, this local fighter thrives in Hong Kong's streams and marshes. Today, we will explore the world of this unsung aquatic survivor. Paradise fish, part of the Macropodus genus, are known for their bold personalities and striking fins. The Hong Kong's paradise fish stands out with its territorial nature, growing to about 6 to 8 centimeters, and its wild, untamed spirit. Its body ranges from dark gray to black, often shimmering with the red or orangish markings on its fins, perfectly for standing out in the clear streams and shaded pools it calls home. These fishes thrive in Hong Kong's shallow streams, ponds, and marshes, places like the freshwater habitats of the new territories, including areas near Tai Po and Sai Kung. But their homes are under threat. Urban expansion, water pollution, and the habitat's loss are challenging for this fierce survivor's existence. The Hong Kong paradise fish might be small, but it's a big player in our ecosystems. It's prey on the insect larvae, bringing to keep the pest populations in check, and its presence reflects the health of our freshwater systems. Protecting this fish means safeguarding Hong Kong's natural balance. If it vanishes, it's a warning that our streams and wetlands are in peril. Well, thankfully, efforts are underway to protect Hong Kong's native freshwater species. Groups like Aquaculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department, and WWF Hong Kong are restoring habitats and raising awareness about our aquatic biodiversity. You can help too, supporting clean water initiatives, exploring our wetlands responsibly, or advocates for green policies can ensure this fish future. The Hong Kong paradise fish teaches us that even the smallest creatures can embody strength, beauty, and tenacity, just like Hong Kong itself. Thanks for joining me to uncover this fierce survivor. Stay tuned for more episodes of Icons and Inspirations, where we spotlight the hidden heroes of our world. I'll see you next time.